Beautiful friends, welcome back to the garden again. It's a new year and I am so grateful for you guys this year. I hope it's bring a lot of good stuff for us in the garden, for us gardener. I hope it's we can cope with that, and we will move on to all those good things. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Even sometime, if you guys been there with me for a good while, you guys know I used to have a big garden, but since I tried to get rid of my house and my garden here, it's maximized. That's what I don't really have that much to showing you guys. And for me to go over there next and my where I rent the land to have my place to have my other garden is always, since I was not well, I couldn't go in that place to showing you guys what's going on now in the garden. But thank God now I feel better. I have more energy. I can come here and then showing you guys more what's going on in the garden. Even my grass, because it's winter, nobody have grass right now, but it is what it is now. I try to keep my sprinkler on more often, but it's tough. I have to go to sleep right now. And I am so grateful for you guys to keep watching my videos and subscribing. I am blessed to have you guys with me. I just want to show you guys, this is the first day in 2 months I feel myself again. That's what I can bring, get me into showing you what's going on. This is, I still live here, but this is what's going on here. But it's winter, stuff are sleeping, stuff are not looking good, but they still alive. This is what I want to showing you, what's happening here in this garden. Friends, I can't stay for that long. I'm just gonna say Happy New Year and have a blessed day. Love you all.